All right.
Hey, Larry. I can't wait. What was that sound?
I see eyes looking at.
Pump it up, buddy.
Get
From the back.
get your puppet behind there. What are they going to say?
Have them say the Pledge of Allegiance.
Hey, the Pledge of Allegiance. That'd be good.
Okay, reach up.
Kevin, get behind there. Make the puppet say the Pledge of Allegiance.
Hey, what about the fire drill?
There's a puppet. Go on, Gavin, get back there. Jake, go on behind there with your puppet.
Stop eating all the other puppets, Dad. No.
Jake's puppet is kind of hiding. I see it right over there.
How dare you bark at me? How dare you bark at me? Oh, I'm going to get you later, Mr. I pointed at you. I pointed at you.
That's pretty good. One puppet survived. Uh-oh! Now what happened? Uh-oh! There's the puppeteers are there.
Oh,
The puppeteer.
Down and back.
Where is everybody?
Wonder if all the puppets can be quiet at the same time.
1 minute, don't look at this. Hello.
There's the puppet over there. There's one getting away.
Meow.